Hello all. Hope everyone is doing good. Today I will continue the bug life cycle and what is the bug, what is the different kinds of bug, or what are the different definitions bug, error, failure. This kind of things and all we can go through now. So yeah, I think now you can able to see my screen. I think so. Yeah. So I am sharing my screen. You can see. See, now I want to tell what is the difference between a bug, defect, incident, error, failure. So if you see all this, all three look same, no? Yeah, all three looking same. So here I want to tell you bug or error when it will come means when unexpected behavior in an application is called the bug, defect or incident, we can say. Okay, unexpected behavior means which is not expected as per the user requirement is called the bug. Error means mistake in the program. When developers are writing the program, there will be some mistakes will going to happen that are both human made or machine made. It can be comes under both human made mistakes or machine made mistakes. Those are called as the errors. If errors are not uh, if error is there in the program, that will be called then when testing team tested, so bugs will come. Because if bugs are not fixed, not identified, not fixed and send it to the production, it will leads to software failure. Okay, bug, error, failure, this is the differences and this is the expected question in the interview for the freshers. Okay, and now I want to tell you what is a bug life cycle. Bug life cycle means like what are the different stages of bugs are there. Okay, so tester needs to raise the bug. For raising bug we are having nowadays HPLM, Zira are the tools are available. Okay, we can raise bug. Then when the tester raised the bug, that time it was in the state of new state. Tester raised the bug. Okay, once tester raised bug, then it is in a new state, then they will be assigned to the developer. Then developer opens the bug. Okay, this state is called developer opens bug. Okay, developer opens bug is called the open. Okay, once open, then he will fixed. That time developer fixed bug is called the fixed. Next, retest. This time tester needs to test bug, needs to test bug again is called the retest here. And they will here reassign to tester to test the bug. Okay, so this is one of the thing here, reassign. Okay, here assign, it is not a status. Okay, retesting, once retesting is completed, everything is working fine, then they can close the defect. Tester retest and close defect. Okay, if anything is not working still, they will reopen the defect. Okay, if anything is not working fine, then they will reopen the defect. Again opening, if any functionality not working, retesting. Okay, And once one of the state is called a deferred state is there. Why this is comes under defect deferred? No, they will release on the next release. They are trying to release on the next release. Otherwise, still few changes needs to done on same requirement. That's why they are making the status as a deferred. And they will fix it will be a very low priority, so they will fix later. Okay, deferred state means if they want to fix in the later stages of the life cycle is called the deferred state, we can say. So they will fix it later. There may be a many causes. Why? Because they are planning to test this that your requirement in the next release. And they are moving for the some changes on the same requirement, and there will be a low priority of that defect, so that they will fix it later stages. Okay, that's why it went to the deferred state. Okay, and one more state is called the reject state. This one, this reject state in the sense a developer not at all open the defect, because some duplicate defects, sometimes duplicate defects will present. That means same defect existed again and again. Okay, by knowingly unknowingly testing team are raising same defects again, or same kind of functionality again and again. That time they will reject the defect. That is called the rejection state, we can say. Okay, that is about the bug life cycle. Okay, and here I want to tell important question interview. So what is the bug life cycle? It is the important question. And what is the bug, error, failure? What are the different types of this three? In this three they will ask. Okay, bug, error, failure. Okay, now I am going to tell on um, some basic testing terminologies. Okay, so in that first is a sanity testing. Sanity testing, who will do? Sanity testing actually tester will do. Tester will do the sanity testing. So it is the first testing. Why they will do this testing means, they will get to know whether everything here they will check all the basic functionalities working fine or not. So whether they need to accept the build. Okay, as soon as they got a build from the development team, they will do the sanity testing to get a confirmation that whether we can process the testing. Otherwise we need to reject the build, so that they can do again a smoke testing, and they will change some code changes, and they will give that testing is called the sanity testing. First testing when testers doing. Okay, testers doing testing. Okay, this is the first testing. Okay, and the next terminology I want to tell you is a smoke testing. Okay, smoke testing. Smoke testing means this one developers will do same intention only, like basic functionality working or not. Okay, checking basic functionality working or not. Checking is called the smoke testing, we can say. So the difference between sanity testing and smoke testing is, smoke testing developers will do, sanity testing testers will do. Smoke testing developers will do before giving build to the testing team for the testing, to get the confirmation that all the functionalities, all the basic functionalities, major functionalities working fine or not. For checking this kind of testing is called the smoke testing. Sanity testing tester will do. This is the first and foremost testing the testing team will do once they got build from the development team, to get the confirmation that whether they can proceed for the remaining testing things. Otherwise still some code changes are required after sanity testing. This kind of things, for this is called the sanity testing, we can say. Okay, this is also interview prospective important question, we can say. So need to concentrate on this topic as well. Okay, and now I want to tell you what is the regression testing. Regression testing means, uh, for example, like if you say build one, you are having some 1 to 20 cases to execute. Okay, if 1 to 20 cases we need to execute in the build one, so you did the manual testing, everything is done for that. Okay, and build 2, he wrote some 20 to 30 cases here, and they did the 20 to 30 cases normal manual testing, and here they are checking 10 to 20 cases again. Here, because of the new build changes, there may be a chances of affecting the older functionalities. So regression testing, in the sense, because of the new code changes or new requirement arrivals, is their old requirement changed or how it is checking, is called the regression testing, we can say. And regression testing we can achieve by the no, most probably by using the automation testing, we can say. Why? Because within less period of time we can execute most number of the test cases, but that is up to the clients whether they can go for the automation testing, otherwise manually only they can execute all these things, stuff. Okay, these all depends upon, depending upon the clients. Okay, then retesting. Okay, retesting retesting means, like in here, once bug got fixed from the developer, then tester needs to retest the defect in all possibilities, in all possibilities he needs to retest the bug again and again to get it the functionality to work fine. Okay, that is called the retesting and regression testing. And the difference between retesting and regression testing is, retesting, once bug got fixed, they are checking this functionality again and again with the different possibilities to get confirmation that whether we can close the defect or how it is. Okay, then for regression testing means, because of the older new changes, new requirements or new code changes, is there older requirements are affected, or how the older coding things and all checking, is called the regression testing. This is also most expected question on the interviews. And I hope you got understood. If you have any doubts in this video, you can ping me and you can ask me, I will clarify it. Okay, thank you. Thank you all for joining the session. Thank you.